Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to put your Galaxy A05 into safe mode. So what you want to do is go to the power menu. So you can long press the side button. And when the power menu appears, you want to tap on power off. And then long press on the power off button. And it's going to change into a safe mode button. Then now you can tap on the button and that should reboot your phone into safe mode. And you can tell it's booted back in safe mode because there's always going to be a safe mode badge in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now safe mode basically means some of the features have been disabled, and this is normally used to troubleshoot in case you're having problems with your phone and you're not quite sure where the problem is coming from. So you can boot only the essential apps and then try and troubleshoot your phone from now. But your phone will always have a safe mode badge. Now to get out of safe mode, what you want to do is long press the side button and then restart your phone. And that should boot the phone back up in normal mode. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.